Sitting. Yes. The king of king, the king of all time. Yes, this is me. Come on board. I want to tell you some few small story. Before I want to go sleep. Because when something pass inside this head, it come out for inside this mop one time. Mop. I need to keep nothing inside my mop. I must talk calm before anything will happen. Yeah. No one bomb picking the open food. When I share them, I call some small number before I want to make una listing some small. Make una listing some. Make I tell una set problem. The problem we will get. Why some people they get nick for which will happen for our land. Why some people they get nick for which will happen for our land. Make I tell una one time. All man no say waiting way we fight for is a good cause. But the problem where it dey inside, una share them first. For certain number, una first share this video. Waiting where it dey inside and say jealousy dey inside. Jealousy, yes. Some people then they way they jealous. The people the way they start the revolution. Yes, they just get big neck. They just jealous them because maybe that they start the revolution. So they fear for inside and waiting. Hey, the people that make sure they can't succeed. Now they fear that way they inside. But so one and two they know say yes, I took a Cameroon government, if they ever leave they will fight everything. So two fear side them, now fear the inside. And the Englishman in wickedness, in jealousy, some people and they just decide for say, okay, they don't want to see into the problem because they get bad for the problem. So the people the way they start this revolution, so that they come into this name, they will see say if they succeed, people they will over-regard them like a king of kingdom. Right? So when they come now, they go create now different kinds of them for bring disagreement. May they not understand, may they not love which way they take place. But make I tell you something. You want to tell you something. We will get to know. When I listen the Moja speech, Moja, he make a very nice speech. But I say, na sense no dey for head. It no be intellectual. Na because he dull. But if you be say you be man wey go school, you enter for inside that speech, you go know say Moja want talk something. But na how way them say the bad side of the revolution dey his skin. Now whether enough if express himself correct. He talk important talk them. And una no be simplify people that talk them when they talk. It be very important. Una must ever take any man talk for consideration. Because man didn't know. Man feels stupid, dull, but he talks something where it makes sense. Now what I will say for instance from Nigerian film them, when I was saying for the men say they don't drunk, but when they talk, things that happen. You see, if I get the Moja video for you, I will make una listing them and I will make comments inside the program because and I will talk to for French. I will talk of French people. They really understand me today very better. Very, very better. Okay. May I find the video. If you see the video, I will be very pleased. May I look the video. The video will surely be somewhere. The video surely be as soon as they share, so you can stay plenty. But I want just make some small sense. Make you understand. Okay, make you listen the stupid man in video, okay? Make you listen the idiot.
Greetings. This is Chief Moja.
It talk fun.
I want to say this, and I'm clear. I'm sure about what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
we have been in Cameroon 4 years of the struggle.
Yeah.
The Ambazonians who are struggling to fight the Republic government. I, Chief Moja Moja, have been struggling, I've been fighting the Ambazonians.
Yeah.
You can't imagine that 4 years of struggle, the Moroccans will come and beat us 4-0.
Yeah.
Is it not bad? It's bad.
It's bad.
Because even in Limbe, you'd have even, at least the national anthem would have been in English.
He talk fine. He talk fine. He get sense for that place where he talk so. He not talk bad. He get sense for that place. And I say, he not just be clever. He not just be clever. He talk fine. If one talks on top, and I say, he just look at he just be the man where he fight bad cause. Man where he fight something where he not there for the really cause. You see him? He talk fine. Make a starter for French. Vous-même les francophones, soyez sérieux. Soyons sérieux. Prenons ça en considération. Ce qui met le Cameroun à feu et à sang aujourd'hui, c'est l'histoire de la langue anglophone. Et jusqu'à là, on a un premier ministre qui s'appelle John Gouté. Premier ministre qui s'appelle John Gouté. Que chaque jour, au lieu de profiter maintenant que les anglophones sont dans les nerfs et au moins taper la main sur la table pour arranger les choses, ils n'arrivent pas à arranger les choses. Les lions arrivent à plein limbe et chantent l'hymne national en français. Mais quand répète à qu'on a hier, mi fine. Lions, we get prime minister. How on no one greasy the guys and way they fight for the revolution. Now we're picking the way they don't give their life for that land. We no one respect them. We no one give them the honor and the biggest respect. Make a tell, make a bring another the thing for inside table. Make una understand. Now way the people the way they take themselves, the leaders them for anglophone leader them. Now way they get to stand up, knock hand for table, making the workers they get to work. But they never do them. They there for back pobia. They are we like pobia, we support pobia, we do pobia. They come for limbe. Where now this very particular problem be problem inside that stupid country. Now this particular problem for language, English language. How they want show we say they need to respect me, they don't go ever respect me. They come for inside limbe, play the football, sing the national anthem for French. Okay, when I tell me one day when they don't ever sing national anthem for English. When I tell me one day when they don't ever sing national anthem for English, the one tell me so get Prime Minister John Gouté. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Now when you see say even the minister the way then they for the power when they support the pobia. When they want even talk the English, they can't talk now. It's the bad English. Boys, girls, races, children, walking, they are going, now they don't be inside. You understand? Because they don't make me feel say, if you want to be minister, you must always talk na French. Only deny. French is a language. English is a language. But thing where it bring problem inside Southwest and Northwest today. Now that language. Another very language. Because Moja, I feel hate it. I feel hate it for all what you do. But it come to the side, is my brother. So on side, na my brother. Na my brother. If your brother dull, na my brother. If your brother no get sense, it will remain your brother. But if you throw all thing way man they do, but something they will if you throw them. In common sense. Some talk the way they talk, we get sense. He want talk something, but I say he don't know how to construct the sentence. He don't know how for mature his sentence before he want to talk. He just feel for talk anyhow. But for this talk we talk so I look a sense inside it. He know they feel happy how they can sing national anthem for English. When I listen me fine, because of this very particular problem, bring this war where they can't burn my village. He need to feel happy. But how we in the feel challenge the government, he pass a message, and the government go make it say they need to hear. Now listen me fine, he talk anyhow.
All our struggle is going in vain.
All our
maybe would have used the voices in the bushes to play.
All our struggle is going in vain. That's why he talk now into the heart of Ambazonia. That means say the enter na inside heart for ambassador we talk so. But na say the kene talk for make let's say the feedback, When they sing the national anthem for English, for French, he feel and for his soul. He know say he fight na a very stupid battle. He know say for his sense, he fight na a very stupid battle. Now for the way I try to understand what you want to talk. If he bad, he pass a message. Now listen fine.
But there were no voices in the bushes. Those who play the match, the players, mama for you people. Let me use the pidgin language. Mama for you people. I will keep on fighting the Ambazonians. But next time, they should not go and meet some church and beg people to pour libation. We cannot be fighting the Ambazonians. Others are going to pour libation that they are big chiefs. Look at the result. No voices in the bushes to play the ball. So I declare Morocco fish ban in my community.
That thing the way the John Guti. Excuse me. Nothing in that way the John Guti get somebody get to advise you. If you're not relative, because I don't know whether not thief. If you're not relative, some talk when they no must talk. Lady can't talk so. It's not correct. Say a man like this, where the talk is actually the thief for some place. Make him never talk they cannot talk. Say the bound Morocco you can't know. It not be good. You know what they cannot talk. But no be because say it all go no go listing some good side for which way they talk. It talk very pertinent in them. They sing national anthem for English. And where would they inside the problem today so? Where will the parade on vex? Now for sake of the very particular national anthem. Now for sake of the very particular national anthem, where they inside the problem today so. The very particular French people, the way they want to impose for this more must talk French by force. When they day for Southwest, they need to understand. Say that land where they day for this, so all my way there for that land, they talk na English and pidgin. We even want mammy them. And I think where they get to understand. Anytime we go do so, look at it don't vex. Then I see if expressive vex. If vex, then it expressive vex. It was I will continue to fight the Amber boys. If they man way he kill mommy, and then they can't tell you say no, you kill mommy for nothing. You want just say a conscience, say no, I will continue to kill, I will kill my mother. I'm say na desperate talk. Una listen fine. Una the jealous by leaders them, the Ambazonian leaders of the liberation. Una the jealous them. Una no get to jealous them. The only thing I going to do now say for man we get sense, English man we get sense, get to join these people for say make we build a better place for our children. No matter how we arrange the problem, make we build a better place for our children. Make I tell you something. Mamadou Mota, vice president for come to a party, don't come out for prison today. The day when they catch Mamadou Mota, they catch him with more than 200 English boys. But they liberate Mamadou Mota, you won. All were picking, they were brought in the day for prison. Nobody can fight for them. Okay, John Guti. You be prime minister. Yeah, work for prime minister and I will do it. Now if I can stroll, tell people and say, put your guns down, but I'll do all this thing. No. Some part the way, when you are picking them, don't vex. You know now say, anything we talk to that French people there for that play where they for this, so they go listing you. You get to now for table. You get to battle like a man for liberate your homeland. That is what you have to do, Mr. Prime Minister. I respect you. But some certain age, you know must give respect that kind of way. Because if you are not doing the real thing, and if you respect you, no. Now listen fine. And if you respect you, after this man he talk, I go put some talk make una hear. My Lord, if he talk so. Now all thing that I want to tell una say, if vex, moja vex. If vex. If one even talks up say, me Ambazonian they continue the war, then I say, he don't know how for talk am. I feel the pain because he realize say he be fool. He realize the cause with the fight and a stupid cause. Because you can never fight your brother. You You can never fight your brother. It will never happen in this world that somebody fighting his own people. It will never happen in this world. Okay? When I listen fine, sometimes when I want to say, oh, our brothers sit there for prison and to apply the play, and they come back for lawyers the way they make and they liberate the Mamadou Mota, okay? I come back for their speech. We will listen their speech. Step by step, my brother. Step by step. Because it pained me. It pained me very much. When I listen very well. When I listen very well.
Et c'est au prix d'une traversée de la ville, hein, un long cortège de véhicules qui s'est donc ébranlé au siège de Maître Méli, avocat principal du MRC, notamment de Maurice Kamto, son leader. Et ici, au siège de Maître Méli, on peut voir que ce sont les effusions de joie qui sont partagées par le directoire du MRC. On a vu notamment Mamadou avoir des accolades avec l'ensemble de ses camarades, le secrétaire général Christopher Ndong, Maître Méli lui-même, Maître Sim également, et puis Sa Majesté Villois Essa. Donc, bien entendu, les autres ouvriers du MRC sont également à l'œuvre. Mathieu Youvi, Okala et Bodé, qui sont également présents au cours de cette sortie du président Mamadou Mota. Alors, selon nos informations, une première conférence de presse ici, il y aura une déclaration, il y a eu une déclaration du président Mamadou Mota, et puis dans la foulée, le professeur Maurice Kamto, président du MRC, devrait donc recevoir Mamadou Mota, et la suite, notamment à l'occasion de cette sortie qui est un événement pour le MRC qui a été ces derniers mois victime, pour le moins qu'on puisse dire, d'un acharnement judiciaire, ou du moins de nombreuses poursuites judiciaires de la part du régime de Yaoundé.
Vous êtes en direct.
Ok, je voudrais saluer la presse. Je voudrais saluer la presse d'avoir fait des efforts et des sacrifices pour couvrir cet événement nocturne. Nous sommes rendus à plus d'une heure et c'est il y a quelques instants que le vice-président Mamadou Mota vient d'être sorti des geôles et après un séjour de presque 20 mois. Je dois dire que c'est un soulagement pour le collectif parce qu'il a traversé des étapes très dures. Des étapes très dures qu'ils ont qualifiées eux-mêmes au cours des audiences que nous avons suivies à la cour d'appel de la haie d'honneur de la torture. Donc après la traversée de la haie d'honneur de la torture, torture à la fois policière, torture administrative et torture judiciaire, il se trouve enfin libre. You are welcome, Mr. President. Thank you. You are welcome, Mr. President. Donc, ce que je dois dire pour l'ensemble de mes confrères qui avons suivi de bout en bout cette procédure, c'est que le vice-président Mamadou Mota n'a pas eu droit à un procès équitable. Il n'a pas eu droit à un procès équitable parce que déjà, il n'y avait aucun fait contre lui. Il n'y avait aucun fait contre lui. La procédure qui a été suivie contre lui était cavalière. Cette procédure n'a respecté aucune forme juridique. Et voyez-vous, dans ce dossier, nous avons découvert un aspect du droit de l'homme. Il était poursuivi avec 162 personnes sur lesquelles il y avait 110 qui ne s'exprimaient qu'en anglais. Nous avons...
Make a repeat them for English, make una hear. 100 and something people they be when are English people them. Now listen fine. After I was saying me at the vex or nothing. 100 and something people they be where they speak now only English. With Mamadou Mota, they be for inside that problem. Now listen.
Vainement poser le problème du respect des droits linguistiques constitutionnels, cela n'a pas été respecté. Et la Cour, suivant les enquêtes policières et le jugement rendu en instance dont nous avions fait appel, a rendu des décisions uniquement en langue française, en violation de la Constitution de la République.
That means the judges were picking them, were brought them for French. It's against the law. Nothing with the lawyer they talk for here. That means the guys them all were picking the way they catch them from southwest, northwest, bring them for Yaoundé. They judge them for French. And some of them they talk French. Una like this government, pass all man. But una listen fine. The judge were boys them now for French. The way they get right for get English lawyer. All our lawyers who said them who said them they deny for say make the guys and get their lawyer for English. They judge them for French. That means say maybe not even judgment. That means they condemn them anyhow. Now listen.
On nous a fait venir à l'audience l'interprète pour couvrir le fait, mais je dois dire que dans sa procédure en appel et avant l'ouverture des débats, nous avions posé la question à la Cour d'appel. Et entre-temps, est intervenu le Conseil supérieur de la magistrature et nous avons constaté après le Conseil supérieur de la magistrature qu'on n'a affecté aucun juge de culture anglo-saxonne, n'est-ce pas, à la Cour d'appel, au siège de la Cour d'appel du centre.
Now the year fam what you man talk. That means say the work way John Gute do for Yaoundé day. Now manga to ask yourself which work he do. That means say English Cameroon no get representative for which way concern law for Cameroon. My brother, when I go hate me, they make a talk the truth and shame the devil. We will not get representative for which way concern law for Cameroon. That means we will be dogfowl them. They don't get right for just we for normality. They don't get right for just we normal, not for the normal way where they judge all Cameroonian them. We will not get representative for court of justice for Cameroon. We will not get representative for them. Vous understand what I tell you now? Now listen, now.
Ce qui fait que le jugement ne pouvait être instruit et rendu que par des juges qui ne s'expriment qu'en langue française. Nous pensons que cette procédure a eu ce vice et que, ayant fait pourvoi, nous pensons que la Cour suprême va annuler, n'est-ce pas, tous les actes de procédure qui sont faits exclusivement en langue française. Donc, c'est un point d'honneur pour le collectif de défendre les droits linguistiques. C'est un point d'honneur pour le collectif aujourd'hui satisfait de sa libération. Je dois dire que le cas de Alexis Kwam et plein d'autres anglophones qui bénéficiaient de la condamnation de 18 mois, qui devrait sortir aujourd'hui, nous sommes déjà le 5, n'est-ce pas, que ceux-là n'ont pas été libérés nuitamment comme le vice-président Mamadou Mota.
That means they're not liberated while on picking them. Oh, my brother. Oh. When I see the kind of suffer all this side, will you speak English language? For respect the courage for Yabacho, for respect the courage for all these guys who are fighting to liberate this land. You put your life in a position where you want to come and battle them. You know why you fight them? Because you are jealous. Because you just be jealous. You know, now you start discourse. Now you start discourse. Now why that way the jealous, different man in courage. People they don't be for long. They maybe don't take this kind of revolution. The one that they don't come today, they don't take this kind of footstep. We, what we do for here, we're gonna only mock for talk. The only thing for do now for support them. Support them so that they will go shit down for some table. They arrange the problem. Who tell you now? So one day ask and say who mandate, who give them mandate for decide for a cause? Who give John Gute the mandate? Who give Voices in the bushes mandate. Who give them mandate for talk for one name? Who give them the mandate? You deny for support your brother because you dull, because you be jealous of the revolution. Now the jealousy now you chop you inside your mind because guys they like a yabacho. Guys they like ma call on my name, make I not make a differences upon I might not make difference for no man. Guys then like Eric Tato, guys then like Mark Barata, guys then like President Sako, guys then like all the guys then where they fight for the revolution. The only thing we will give them now our support. When you hear this kind of talk, so after we were picking, they don't die. For second the very problem, but the problem never end. It never still stop. It is still continue. They didn't even pretend for arrange the problem, my brother. They didn't even pretend for arrange the problem. And in their own place, for can stand up, discourage people them. No could continue for the same slave trade. May the cash picking for Kumba, go Georgia for Yaoundé, for French, pick it on only English. My brothers them, if you don't know disgrace, na big disgrace. Cameroon government never she don't look and say no, this problem be very serious. They still continue to mock we, laugh we, come for a fee, can sing national anthem again for French, for tell we say the English where would you fight for, they don't ever give you the English. The only man, the only thing for inside. Now for say they go inject money, corrupt some of our brothers. May they can't create good like some good they call them black legs. May they can't be cosh. May they can't be cosh what people them. May they can't be cosh some people them for bring this agreement inside. If we are picking them, see they for prison. They never judge them. Even when they want to judge them, they judge them with French language. Now, they continue to talk to Cameroon a bilingual country. Now, they still continue to say we are in a bilingual country. All the militaries, the way they inside North and Southwest, they talk now level French. We even sit out with the key while picking them. They talk now only for French. I not deny. Any man get right for do a revolution, how we get right for do am. When I always see what you man talk. Sometimes I need to hear French. Now, what I say, make a translate them for English. Make you understand which way this man they talk. Mamadou Mota, now vice president for come to a party. They don't move it for prison. They will catch it with 100 and something people them. When the English Cameroonian them, when they talk now only English. They begin to liberate them today, they don't liberate them. Today, so they don't liberate them. It been normal. So, when I like these people then, pass now, we're unpicking them now. Because for una eye, now for say no, make this problem can finish. They don't go show today, how about they don't go Gabu? They don't go Gabu. They don't go give bucket them for Bambi and Gabu. They don't say they don't give 5 million people that for Gabu may they take and build their house. With that 5 million will bring back that people that don't die. Why they not go for Pini? Why they not go for Pini? Why they not go? Why they going for Gabu? Now you go bring them back for this life. Okay, now so they go fix the problem. Who go pay my own village to the Umbonam? Who go pay Banga Bakundu? Who go pay for Banga Bakundu, the village, my village with the Bonam? Somebody have to pay for it. Somebody have to pay for it. Okay? Somebody have to pay for it. When if she done for you, would you pretend like say the battle na among me and you because you say you require yourself black legs. Nobody's black leg. The fact is there. Now French Cameroon lawyer they talk. When I never listen.
Et le régisseur, au sortir de la prison, nous a indiqué que c'est aux environs de 8 heures que ces cas seront traités. Donc, je dresse encore mes félicitations et mes salutations à toute la presse. Et je vous remercie de nous suivre toujours et d'encadrer également les libertés dans notre pays. Je vous remercie.
Maintenant, les premiers mots de Mamadou Mota, président, vice-président du MRC.
I want for listening, but when if you listening, because you're talking about a party. Now that jealousy, now it make some people them. Because they're jealous, the cause, where the guys, they don't get courage for fight. Me, at the instead, great the courage. Because for my life, if they for tell me say one day, na English man for carry gun for more than 4 years, I don't forever believe. Because me, I don't live for English zone. I don't see when the bees that they come for English zone, all man they run go inside house. No man they be like that people then. But they talk say water way slow, na it deep. Water way slow, na it deep. Oh una day una the work of this government, una listen me fine now. Na time this where una picking them, they inside bush to gun them. Where una must use this advantage for make this government respect una. May this government give a little bit of respect for our population. Una forget about politics, una forget about everything. They say in any case there is an advantage. Use this case, they can make advantage. Not just be prime minister for finish, you have finished like Chidi Atu. You need to be the first prime minister who don't see him. Who don't see kind prime minister them. But Chidi Atu, but Peter Mafani Musonge, who said them they, what did them do? They do nothing. They do nothing. Now instead one campaign now, boys them, may they go hit their umbrella them. Petit frère them, if any man there for you will understand me, make it listen me fine. The cause we are fighting is a very good cause. It will permit it tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will fit talk when it is time to talk. For anything, not only look the bad side, look the good side of it. No matter, say, cause them day, this kind of thing, quarry, cause, all this kind of thing them day. Even that thing them day, una look the good side of the thing. It better. Because now you don't be, let's say, some people, they don't take a, let's say, they want to make, let's say, they want to fight. Naja umbrella. No. I be against. Me. Make I tell you the truth. For me, I believe, say, some sun will shine. Some sun will shine and a better day will come for us. Most of now, una don't lost hope. Una don't lost hope. Una continue to look sun. There is hope. There is hope in the thing, in the middle. Continue to look sun. There is hope. And something will be done. We have a better place. Yes, we have a better place. I would like to thank all the guys the way they fight. You must be happy for get guys the way they fight. Where they know for fight. Me, I don't know for fight. Me, I know for sing. I know for talk. I know for make comedy. But fight live in a portion. But if I see my way they fight for something will be good, I will support you. I no go be jealous of you. Because no na any man will be farmer. No na any man will be truck pusher. No na any man will be doctor. No na any man could be lawyer. Una stop una jealousy. Now one they call it jealousy. Because maybe now una take this struggle. Now what the jealousy make the one the way they don't take this struggle go to some place. Una mind. Una they pray all God to make the fail. So that's when they say, hey, master, they decide to go side. Now una own dream that una the dream. But the person where you condemn him, now your brother, the fight where they fight now for you. It give He want for he give na a message. Tomorrow they will respect you because of that fight. Tomorrow they will give you respect because of that very particular fight. Where this speaking the fight. Wait till I can't call and say, Master, when I lost my life for nothing. No. Mandela go make 27 years for prison. If he be like a life, if she don't quiet, he battle. He battle. You understand? He battle. He will go for prison, come on, can be president. He friend them, they remain for battlefield. If none be know, una just be jealous of them. So una be jealous of this leader because they get some kind of way for talk where it's sweet. They get some kind of way for talk where they make people understand. Una struggle for saying, una want challenge them at all costs. But it not be fair. It not be fair. It not be fair. Una listen. Even moja where they make noise, it don't vex. The speech where moja make up, now vex speech. But I say no know how to express the speech. He can talk say this so they sing national anthem for English. But a place to talk say this problem start now for that very kind problem. But escape French Cameroon try way for arrange them. No, they do all way for maybe no say now then they give order who will they follow. And then unfortunately when I get when I boys them where they get that courage for stand up to say no, Papa they don't feel not anyhow. Mommy them they don't go suffer on again. Who will go stand for in front even that they will die. The only thing we fit do now for support that guys and give them a small support. Make them stand until the day when they go sit down for some table. They will give their respect. Now no mind. People they can tell and say the guys in who they not lie. They don't do their best. They don't do their best. Now whether when me will lead the party, I did greet all the guys of the revolution. The soldiers. Those guys, now my brother. I need to fear no man for talking. That boys them, where they inside bush, where they inside everywhere. Now my brother them. Now my brother them. It no matter how them they feed their pain. Because all what they do now the benefit of our land. Now the benefit for our land. Any man will die one day. Any man will die one day. But we will die for saying anything not happen again. People they for prison for Kondengi for French Cameroon. They never judge them for English. They matter where lawyer they start them, where teachers them protects. So they can't reach today the problem. See they know arrange the problem first. They when one can talk, so one can hate. When one can force people there for hate. The boys the way they fight. Una go meet up me for una wrote like a jackass. Una go meet up me for una wrote like a jackass. Look I don't bear the cross. Now, till the end will happen. Till the end will happen. Anyhow it happen. I did it. Anyhow it happen. I did it. I no go leave no one step. The only thing we fit do, now only forgive our own support. You will not fight. We no get courage. Maybe any man get courage for this way, my brother. If you get some brother, we get courage. We get courage because some family they way if you can't touch that family, they go call a man way he hate the craze for say make can show you say for this family they so no na all man the right book. You go get this kind of boys them where they get courage for die for the land. Then you can't take yourself, put and say you be black leg. You want betray your own brother. Because you find way for chop Gary. I see someone when they make let's say this guy then they fight na for their benefit. Which benefit if you fight and when you sleep in bush? Which benefit if you fight and when you sleep in bush? There's no benefit on it. There's no benefit on it. They fight now for you. See what the way this lawyer they talk. This lawyer they talk say. Me I will put my phone for we'll talk for 20 minutes. I will put my number. We'll talk for 20 minutes. Make una tell me the problem where it bring me for this situation. So they can reach now, they never arrange them. Now I want to ask Prime Minister, I want to ask John Gote say, wait to be a part for that Prime Minister wake day. So they can arrange, so they never arrange the problem. Wait to happen, they can sing national anthem for French, for inside Limbe. If they really know, say picking they don't die because of that very particular word. If now why man they respect that kind of thing? Why man they give respect? Why man like I know will ever happen again? But they also can make the error. That means they don't even know which way they do. They don't know two way they do. They don't blind. All their own now for chop. After all the chop, all things be correct. I be very sorry. It depends. When I hear lawyer they talk so, they don't liberate people them, but they need to liberate what picking them. And they una be black leg. Why una need to talk? Una the fear for talk. So na feel say me, I not like which I don't like them. It be so shameful. It be so shameful. It be so shameful. So you can't condemn your own brother where he stand up for you after he say, I never send man for fight for me because you fight for drink and mimbo. Who can have better thing if you bring for this world? If not only mimbo if you drink, who's can better thing if you bring for the world? You where you make mop for Europe. If you never in Europe, make you be human being. You need if you be human being for Cameroon, you need to be human being for Cameroon. Yes, you need to be human being for Cameroon. I put my number. We'll take even at 2 people for this night too. 2 people. We'll talk. 00 39 35 10 86 57 47. Now my number that. Okay? Now my number that. The man we go like for call, make it call for WhatsApp. Una tell me, people then don't die for sake of some problem. Why they teach speaking there for French, that will change it for English? This government not take them in serious. Speaking they don't die. They don't rape mommy them. They don't bomb woman they obey. Still here they don't learn sense. They carry thing they go get picking there for Gaboo. Come for Boya, sing for national anthem for French. Where Cameroon get 2 language for national anthem. They not sing them. They respect you. You will see the black leg. See even as the moja. When I see, I feel it. Because I cry, because cry so. But you don't know. The one that cry for my way don't lost. Respect, they need respect you. But you fight for people the way they need to give you honor. That means you are a lost human being. You are a lost human being now. You are a lost human being now. I hope you understand. Now my number that runs now. They might want to call, make it call for WhatsApp. We'll take even at 2 people then, even at 3 people, they make them call. Damn, so you are a lost human being now. When this thing will finish all, so the people that will come, they will finish because the system way the government wants to stop the problem. It no go ever work as so. I did tell una my brother. It no go ever work as so. You know why? Because people then deal with they no go leave them. They no go leave this thing. The better they start to find the solution before it won't be too late. It go better for everybody. It ain't be too late, sir. Because people will rather die. Sometimes when I talk, I don't know whether when I understand what I talk fine. When I get to understand what I talk fine, before if you know the pain will get out of my heart. We'll get picking them when they don't catch her for whom. Mine never go home, no woman. I know whom. For Bamenda, for Boya, for Kwakwa, they carry and go Yaoundé. They go Georgie for French. And then when you are picking the Tana carry gun, say no, they want another kind of thing. You go turn up, say you be black leg. You are a fool. You are an idiot. You are a coward. Maybe now because you in Europe, where you feel say life is just nice. Okay, make Cameroon be in a bush. Make Saudi be in a bush. Who they Europe? More just come, can't sleep there and just give them small 5 francs, 10 francs. No, we get to build a better place. we get to build a better place. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Big Willie. How far?
Ade Papa for you.
I been trying to call you for your live. I just see from my tablet say they live, but
Are they live? Are they live? Are they live? You did live?
I saw. Okay. My brother, they call you so from Germany.
I did see him, Papa. This is a tell me.
Yeah.
Tell me make I understand because things they pass me. Because I don't see say some people they just jealous this revolution because say they be jealous for people the way they don't take when they don't go ahead for this revolution.
My brother, me I never see understand it. You understand, you know. Me I be French speaking self, but when me I grow for Bamenda, finish school for Boya. Now only for Sika school, you understand no?
Yeah.
So me I feel very attached to this two region. Then the thing the way they pass, me I say the thing they no fine. It vex me for my heart, you understand? But some people that they always feel say, oh, the Frenchmen and they so they no balance, they know they see what in the happen. I don't want that then so for your life. Say some of people when are French people. I don't really identify myself like Frenchman because I've been now mixed breed. I've been real Cameroonian, you understand? Because me I don't be Frenchman, I don't be a performance.
Yeah.
I've been mixed breed. So the two I want to talk now say from my own analysis, I don't see we suffer from what they call and say syndrome de Stockholm for Cameroon. We don't suffer so to start like person where they make we move suffer.
Not true.
You understand now?
Yeah.
So now just for take a few steps back and just say as plenty people they vex the make and so would you ever pose some action the way would you can't regret after and we not fit talking for public.
Yeah.
Yes. So what I want them brothers and sisters, Cameroonians or now Ambazonia, English and French people them. Now say we get now one enemy. You understand no?
I understand.
And that enemy no be we inside we. Now say we want betterment for all we together. So more focus now for the main point. As you talk, I see your other life for Janvier. As you talk, the enemy no be the army, the enemy no be the French people, then the enemy no be the Anglophone people, the enemy no be the one that they should don't quiet. Because some people then do the way situation the past them. It's better for she don't quiet than for go they open up the talk nonsense like other people that they do for Facebook. You understand?
Understand, yeah.
Yeah, so now my small message that way I want to pass on today. Say now French boy it is where the language for now for pidgin too. For language we all really understand.
Thank you very much.
No? And then I want really appreciate what you do because now the first time the RDC person takes for Facebook, you really talk to it makes sense. You know, the point finger for one or for the other or the coach person or you really talk in a sense, nothing that we need for year.
Thank you plenty.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, really. Thank
take
you.
Care.
Really. We'll join. Last time I joined you for Paris, but man not talk online.
Okay, now one spirit. Take care.
Okay, together.
When I call time way different man don't finish for call, that time you feel call. Because when you call some Monday online, they call the block. I'll take you. This is America, something like that. Hello?
Yeah, hello, Willie.
Hello?
Yeah, my brother, they call you now from the United States.
I understand. I see the number. Now I know, mommy.
Yes. You know, I fine. I really want to thank you for saying you don't join your people there for cry. Because when died for compound, if you not be one mommy, one papa, you still go cry for your friend or your neighbor. You are enjoying cry. Just like how you don't live with French people there for long. I feel even say you get their culture for the certain things, but when that die come, you take side for the side for the cry. Now, good thing.
Thank you, man.
Some of these French people get for understand and look like the way you did too. Because if brother don't talk Nana, this caller way just call Nana. I hear he talk, but he not he ever talk that way. So because what would he fight? May he fight na yeah? Would he fight na justice? Would he fight na justice? Say if we don't fool if we come to war, we get and we can't join them. He get for understand that the main thing they'll not fight for move no man for power for Cameroon. Would he fight an injustice? Say me I come here and you put money for Jangi, you take up all my own chop and you know grease against the my money. You say like you want get the money. So don't even beat me, kill me on top of my money. That the thing will fight this so. Would he fight for the truth? Yeah, we not really hate Francophone because if we really hate Francophone, we don't do babating for them. You see, we don't even try for say me they do, and that Anglophone man no get Southern Cameroon man no get that kind of wicked blood for fight for kill brutally like that. Like even Francophone they for land as a target key na only we so we don't turn the key then too. But we not do so because we not get the inside of DNA. We'll be very, very peaceful people. But the truth is that the Republic of Cameroon must one day stand. Talk say truly will not be one and indivisible country. We can't join them for live together and share the world. Because most Francophone them, if they really be people that they see say they are no good, they get for now they get a majority. They people don't fight beer as they are the Kiwi. They fight for that side, we fight beer for don't stop. But they don't fight. They the only way to move they die. Then they would all reach they say I be mixed blood, I be this. Me I know the vex say what a man and mixed blood, but me they motivate their own people. Me they attack their say why in the TV? Therefore don't stop fight for all fronts. Boko Haram they say traffic they if they system the Cameroon people they woke up for grant go march like one people like some 5 million or even 5,000 take say that they go for they woke up for Yaoundé. Like Biafra don't stop this thing. But they're not the one who come. It means they be comfortable. We don't lose people. This thing and say even at the tell you me at the talk. So if he be say he go say no rich, I swear scores they will go settle and back. But I believe say we will win this battle. Because you go turn from this so you look for your key when no see so your brother when no see. You don't shoot any man when they for corner you waiting say we be part of it. You know, it never go stop. So me they fight, if they really show say they really love we and they believe say one they don't be their brother we can't join them to form the Cameroon. Make they attack the beer for their own various towns. Start the do thing them, we will see and say yes the day will win. But one will fight they kill every day, man can't just say we will drive now one man. I don't know if you ever agree that kind of that only enter but no ambassador here. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your contribution. Make I tell you something. Me, all my career, okay, I get fans them. Me I be one of the best comedian inside Cameroon. How will this woman talk? But my family be important than this career. Than this career I will follow. But hear me now. My family be very important than this career I will follow. I check every day how man fit solve this problem. I need sleep because it pain me a lot. No matter say I spend all my time for French Cameroon, I do most of my thing there for day. But the goodest place, the most beautiful place where I can spend one of my best time, the people they know, not for Kumba, not for Limbe, not for Boya, not for that I can spend most of my sweet time there. Because home is home. Home is home. It not be fair. Where you could be jealous your brother because your brother fight some cause where you know say it be right. But because they don't pay you, you can't want for fool another people, they may follow you for saying no gonna condemn you. My brother them will get a lot. People don't start follow me now, no. People they don't start attack me now, call me, curse me, take my picture, put on Facebook, say na me are the key, na me I don't keep picking them for Kumba, all this stuff. Boom. That one then that one is small kind of thing them. But those people I say, my brother them, Moku fight. We get to resist. We get the right. When I see this kind of thing again, people then there for prison, they still judge them for French. When this matter bring problem inside Cameroon. No, that means say people they get wish. That means witchcraft they inside this thing. They want known as small thing. Witchcraft inside the thing. If you take again two people then call. If you take again two people then, two caller again. Yeah, two caller. We'll make 1 hour, yes, two caller. Understand what I tell you now? Now understand what I tell you now? Me, I no go be happy. Say this thing finish. It can't be na continue. They don't remain. Can't make the laugh way anyhow. When I be don't try now. When I don't do it. When I be don't try. No, my brother. Look am. Langa na disgrace. Langa na disgrace. Yes, the one be don't fake call. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello, my brother.
Yeah, thank you. Merci beaucoup, Monsieur Willie de Paris.
Ouais.
I want for first of all thank you for all your efforts them throughout all these whole several years past. We don't put them in support of the people the way that they consider them like the underdogs. That is the people the way that them they suffer. You in the position where you for choose side, but thank goodness that the side where you choose begin for the people the way that then they suffer. I want to thank you, even for your career, all of the music the way you don't put them, you don't equally also be focused on the people the way they need help. So, and for even, I mean, I remember, say, that watch you will get even 800, 1,000 people them way them be, especially people the way they come out for French Cameroon where they be watch follow you, but you never ever mind you whether you want the best people the way they support your trajectory for the team where you do. So thank you for that. So the reason we have one call, we have been called now for in support of the last caller we called from America.
Yeah.
I think it talk fine. It'd be very difficult, say, for these last years, the way we fight for something, say, even any single effort, if you look back, and no single effort never be made for even try to address the situation. Look, take, for example, the GCE board where people then be die for submit and get up. Instead, during this time, for even please people them to say, okay, now GCE board days more elect these people them. They instead transfer that GCE board, they can go for Yaoundé. Then they make law the way that minister then will now minister the way order that francophone them. That they now will appoint people the way they will go for GCE board.
Voila.
And if I be from sorry. Yes, so as a we talk, so it just be like say you instead take knife to a couple person, then the person in the try will tell you so you choke you with knife, then you instead push the knife again even further. Look, even very very recently, we get this event the way that it happened for Limbe and the World Cup.
Yeah.
World Cup become people that they complain, African Nations Cup, people that they complain saying that things really go on. You instead, you ignore all the event them. You instead take the stuff, come put it inside potato and say it does not really matter. They do not really care.
So
therefore, if people they wait in there for the Ambazonians, they might call and say Anglophone them. They be very familiar with the banking system where it be under the credit union system. So these people do not not only take the way where industries and where factories and everything transfer off of Douala. They still want to put including places in the Amity Bank, Cameroon Bank and all of that. But another thing what they try for do very recently, that credit union. That credit union that the only other standing financial institution we did for Ambazonia they try for transfer that credit union for send out for Douala or for Yaoundé. That's the other thing that they want to kill them again. So at the end of the day, Anglophone they not go get anything again where it exists. But maybe I talk this, I know I don't take it so much of your line. I know say sometimes other people they want to call. Might talk this super go.
Yeah.
We don't talk initially. We talk say, all in African them would suffer for some of you they overseas would suffer for the treat we for you differently than they treat every other person will not be black. May we be our continent, may we be our country. We say francophone them the problem that say una don't over two try una sell for France. Una use na money way they print them for France. when I use they keep them French people they keep inside their treasury. They make interest now for them. The French people then they take like for 500 billion from Africa every year. Then they can't exploit all what timber. Then you go Douala, you see timber where they come out from San Malima side for Sawe side there and everywhere else. They come to Douala the ship. Even you go for north, bench the not there for inside classroom. They win a timber that way they fit cut and take and make bench for take and give begin them for classroom. So I give this one just example. Say day for day, even this one brother the way they die for both sides, including Amazonia them with them. They all we die. We the one try for at least we as Anglophone them we fight for our own dignity. We fight for right for self-determination. We want to extract ourselves off of the French people. Unfortunately, the Francophone they die, they beat them, they die, they protect their French people. I say France, so that make France continue for to take that timber there, make France continue for to take the oil there. Because France take and so you need the gear for them. You go for Douala, the road not there. You go here on the road, Yaoundé Douala when are two big cities them, road not there. Nothing not there, all things don't die, drum they burn up so them too they need so unfortunately they never get this understanding. Say if you want something, get for fight. So we don't talk say may always fight the way you want them. So they decide instead we don't fight me. So at the end of the day, after 60 years, we don't tire them. We say we wanna go our own way, we go our own way, we not want to be independent, we not be part of that independence. We come after. So if we say we big country together, we don't want them. So well, when I take on a country go, when I go join with France, when I do to no one do, we go take our own go. So, but I've been thinking my talk. So, but I'll thank you plenty. Wait, don't give me so the 6 minutes. My express myself.
No one spirit, Papa talk.
Yeah. So thank you.
Okay.
Get a good day.
Okay. Take care. Have a good day too. Yes, my brother. Take care. The matter maybe now how many people that they listening you now. You know, that I became make live on Facebook. I became get 1,000, 1,500, all this stuff. That one I was just I be the joke. But this time around, it is very serious. I don't need 1,000 people. I need 2 people where if you understand me, where if you understand what I talk, where something you enter for their hate. Because if you forget 1,000 people for here, talk them the way you will attract any kind of idiot, make can listen you. When something can be serious, when you talk about your future, the future of your children, the future of a land, it be very, 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 very critical. No matter for laugh, no matter for talk about last for yeah, this kind of thing. No, I want for see people they really understand where did it take place for our land. Me, if I feel qualify people like a Fundi, Papa like a Fundi, their idea, their way for see this struggle. The only time people answer na say na jealousy. Hello? 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 Oh. Slow your volume for that another side. You call man, they talk for you for here, you listing me for different phone. You listing me?
Yeah, grandma. Hello.
Slow your other phone. Slow your phone for that side really. Are they listing you very well?
Yeah, grand. Well, I'll be very, very happy. I thank you for your courage, grand. Yeah, they call you from United Arab Emirates.
Yeah, I'm listening you.
Yes, grand. This Papalava matter way it happens, so you don't really pass some of your power. But thank you, grand, for your courage, where you get under the bulldog, stand up, talk the truth for the nation. Yeah, hello?
Yeah, they get you, they're listing you. They're listing you. All man, they're listing you for you.
Yes, grand. Yes. So with the courage we get them, as per how they try even like for divide we the English people them into 2 sections because of make sure head together. We know we'll fight the judge cause about the issue where it take place. But I thank you because you stand like one man soldier in between the two sides, even no matter the bench side, where you always be there, you spend all your life there, where they feel say maybe you feel the talk like regards to favor them, but because of the good and the straight heart where you get, where you carry justice, you do the right thing, Graham. So we there for your back. I beg, try to make a me what people they understand what they get for stand for, both the Northwest and Southwest, because this issue at times when they make them, they try for corrupt these two people, they make them, and then they win we, they so they kill our brother, they ready for push, they go. So stand firm, sensitize our people then, because they follow you very well, and I know even they're not there now planned for the watch you, but they will watch you after. Make people really know, say, we need to fight this fight to the end. Forget our country, because these people, they don't overdo things and for the way inaugurate. Even though that was other brother way, he can't talk, say, he go for English zone, he go school for Puya, he be like Cameroonian. Yeah, we'll not deny. All we are Cameroonian, all we will not be Cameroonian, but may we stand for the judge cause, for the reality of, say, we are not the same. We'll not be, English is a different language, French is a different language. And the two languages, if you do one and the same thing in case of the justice. Their way of law is different from our own way of law. It's very clear. We need the accused person before we persecute. We need persecute before we accuse. So, if we go for that way they take them. So, me, they really sit into this matter and fixing them accordingly, how we get for be in administration way, in judge way, and make a me will get the two jurisdiction them. Be clear. Me be clear, say, civil law and our common law, they be two different and be recognized for the two nations. It will be good. There is no other thing they not feel change and they cannot work. We inherit the English and we are used to it, and naturally in our culture, they don't feel take them from we. It be difficult say they will take them from we, it cannot work. It will never work. That is, what we inherit with the way you already be a grown up man, big man, then the one force you for you to use a system where you not be used to it. It cannot work, Graham. It not work. But these people know say not work.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I just want to thank you, Graham, for your good work and for your courage you get for really stand up and really face the. I cannot believe that you yourself of all you stand against what you are the same, because most people they don't chew their tongue, they not talk the right thing. People will expect them for stand for we. They not stand for we. But thank you, Graham, for your courage, and God will bless you.
Thank you. Now God now you get power.
Yeah, Graham.
One spirit. Take care.
Yes. Okay, Graham. Ciao.
I will keep talk say if I want qualify Papa Frundi a idea about this thing will happen for Walan. Me I will talk say some of these people the way they don't owe, they jealous this young generation. They jealous because of waiting, because they see say the level way Seseko and the others them they be take this matter rich. They no be understand. Seseko. They no be understand. So now sometimes when they should also they try to imagine the jealousy they inside. Why not them? Why not them? Why the ones who say that them be too wise? So they get to do anything make it fail. Make it fail. Me maybe not for fail or succeed. Me not a matter of make a tough for all to fight this revolution. If we want challenge, if we want give this revolution a new air, a new power, we just try, make we come back, unite for big one. We will see how people they go wash them for our back. We forget all our differences, put them for corner. Forget about the $1 million where they forget about everything. Forget about all money. We come down, she done. If these people insist on not come back and be one, I will see what will happen. I want to just give them a small advice. Una come back, una can shit down. Una just try, make meeting, make they see all una they caution yourself. Una start laugh, una start bring new air, new air to generate. Una go see thing will go happen. Now the position that we dey now, over insult don't be inside. Una come back. Una don't take una sense out of the story. Una bring una mendula them back, put her for the basket. Na very critical problem. It not be easy. I know go easy. We sorry for some level way. We get to use na big man knowledge for put her for table. Na big man knowledge. No man no go come out for that room where no drink small wine. No man no go come out for that room where no drink small wine. Una leave all that una differences there for corner. This problem be very serious now. It be very serious now. It be very, very serious. Una try always. The Seseko. The Eric Tato. The Tapang Ivo. The Ayaba. Everybody. I don't forget someone that named them. Oh, una the discussion yourself. If you now want challenge now the world, if you now want bring some new air, make some new air flow, make una make people their mob lock. Una come with that second sense where they call it a big man sense. Una shit down. When people they go see una, they go know say yes. The body then decide for this matter. Now, what thing that I want to tell una. It be very critical now. Now listen to my word. Because now one day, now only that day, where God could permit me to enter Boya. When that day go reach. No matter how we enter the Boya, now one day, learn to forgive. And learn to accept your errors. Learn to learn from others. And learn to simplify things. Learn to simplify things into their level. Things are going in another way. God is talking to me now, and I'm telling you people. When I just try doing so, and I will see what will happen. I just try doing so, and I will see what will happen. So new air will flow. When I try, not to know the for the world, and if you try. Man the key and mommy after I say you forgive you. Man the do bad thing after you forgive you. No man no dey for you well when they forgive him. Jesus died for cross. Jesus died for cross for our sin. But he forgive we. He forgive we before we want go. We are picking, they don't die. Now not forget. Say on the 14th of this month, na day that way. Na Padi Asanga the call so. Padi Asanga na the call. Ma put some more, ma listing is small. I will call you back because you know eating are not taking. I will take it. Me can't talk. You can't talk the way you talk. Now, Paja somebody call. I will call you. Yeah, maybe that kind of man where they talk. They say, I talk only for one side. I need to talk only for one side. Paja Sanga get his own direction where you go. Any man. I go take it. If you say I never take it, me I go take it. I not get man where they take him. I not get man where they take him. I not get man where I need to choose man for take him. Let me I don't call you back because you don't try call me. Let me I don't call you back. It is I no go take it. So make I tell you say Paja Sanga, me I need to do program say I choose people that will take them. Can't talk here until you want talk. You come out for insight. I not get mine for the argue with somebody. I dey talk now only one thing I say. Any man fi benefit from something. I don't talk for prime minister. Say the position where he did. Some prime minister they be for that position they need to get this kind of power where if you get now. Because the boys them. I Paji the call, Paji Asanga na the call. Me I take any man. Hello?
Hello, Winnie.
Yes, Paji Asanga.
How far?
Ade Papa, how for you?
No, I hear from no.
You there online?
Yes.
Yeah.
I hear we talk about jealousy. Jealousy the common na from where?
No, I talk say people like man like you so. Man like you so now only jealousy. Because if you need a jealousy, I not see way. If I ask you, because I know say you go school, but the sense who I know, say you go school. If I ask you say, from the day where teachers they be woke up strike, so they can't reach today. They can't go. They can't reach now 5 years today. The Cameroon government don't try for adjust the situation. If you answer me that one, I feel really understand. So no jealousy, no the maker. Because today so, but you know say today they don't liberate Mamadou Mota now.
Okay, so I make jealousy. I go carry gun and shoot Seseko. Na me I be catch Seseko go log in for prison. Na me I be make jealousy.
I never talk about. I never talk about.
So when you talk about jealousy, when the whole thing be start, not all will be the match together. You know, be see me for Berlin, for Paris, for Bonn, and for all other places. Which happen where some people then come on go for Naira hotel. They nobody tell you which way be happen today. Now me I be talk say they na them be sell partasang. When you hear the people the way they be call themselves Ambazonia, they talk all that way they talk. I be they. Better way they be lock Ayapol with me and they agree with Ayapol today. They be lock Baladen. They be lock Fontem. They be lock Mancho BBC. I know be they decried. To me, they release them. So which one are they talk? If they say when I get a short secreted memory.
No, Paddy. Mo could talk sense. Me, I want talk sense now.
I listen.
Okay? Mo could talk sense.
I listen.
I don't talk say.
Yeah.
After you understand your position, say Paddy the fight, he did against the guys then because say Paddy at least they see say the team way. It make this war happen. At least the French government did struggle. At least for make it look better. Okay. But I want to ask you say.
See, Willie.
Yes.
That way they be dismissed we for university. Other people the way they be there today they be there. Where they don't come today now because they will still maintain with the same position we will be holding from time immemorial. They start to call we blacklegs. Who give them, first of all, the mandate? Where they don't thief money, they be as corrupt as the same regime for Yaoundé. They don't call them for
who don't thief money.
They don't come.
Who don't thief money?
General conference, they don't come. They go cash people. Nami I talk say Sakuna chief. Man go ask Eric Tatono. Nami I talk.
Okay, you can't tell me say some people they don't thief money and so.
I know the talk say, no be me I talk. Go listen for that people the way you call their name them. I be there.
Okay, now.
You be hear me for Naira Hotel. You be see me for Nigeria. You know be see me that way they
okay,
cash
people
them the match.
Okay.
They will come out all we will go the match. They not dismiss me for university too.
Okay, wait. Okay, tell me you be here. They sing national anthem for English for Issa Limbe. How you be feel?
They don't always sing the national anthem. They don't always try for assimilate. Nothing that will be done the condemn and all we. They not change anything. Say make would they do the same things them like the Jacobins then would they expect different results. And what Jacobins not be only francophones. We get anglophones Jacobins them. When a person like Ayapol na Jacobin, you get a person like Boabe na Jacobin. They not be the work for the system. You will never take money for Cameroon government. Tell me, Cameroon, you will never gain weight from Cameroon government. You will never get employment All we there for here now because
So
say
the
that government.
so the problem when the problem when you get that the problem when you get an Afosika say Boa the day for the struggle because they don't work with the government.
No, they talk say all my way don't work with the government. Na Jacob na Sadina. No, they talk say people, even people the way they did for opposition, where they fight. Usa Wiba today, Wiba they don't silence Wiba. Kosh Wiba say no, Wiba na federalist. Kosh Bala say no, Bala na federalist. Kosh Akeremuna, no Akeremuna na this. Kosh Kawala, all they now only them be Jesus, but inside themselves they still talk say they don't cheap money. This one a La Republic agent. This one maybe La Republic agent. Opposition never change. We stand for that federation, and now the only thing that will be restored. All these scavengers, the way they live here.
You stand for waiting. You stand for waiting.
You know the hear my talk.
You stand for federation, no.
The only thing where if it be restored now the federation, all this other thing where they talk so a lie. It be impossible.
Why you if you can't talk in a lie?
Because they don't lie, no. They be telling us say United Nations who can't give independence. They go meet up for Ambas Bay. What happen? They collect people their money. Say they go see Folly Hawk. What happen? They carry people their money. Say
that reason. I they call people like una so say na jealousy. Na the Kiwi English people them. You the jealous people the way they make the world. You the jealous them because maybe now you because you the fight say me they follow na your own way you want them. You know one follow people the way they don't respect themselves. When I get to stop jealousy, you get to stop jealousy, come back for your normal sense. You don't get to jealous man where you get the courage.
Tell me one person where tell me one person where you think that the jealousy. I will tell you.
You the jealous everybody. You don't call your name them for you. I need call man name. Now you call your name them for you. All them you jealous them.
People the way they shoot themselves. I go jealous person where go keep picking them for boy 39.
Then why you? I said why you?
Jealous people the way they go for
why you know fight your cause for your side, make you leave any man fight his own cause, make you see play over it. Why you not be fighting na cause?
Why they go burn my house?
Now who burn your house?
Why they go kidnap people them?
Why now who burn your house?
Go broke my pie house enter for day.
Why Cameroon?
Say I will be jealous that kind of thing.
Okay, why they go?
Since where I start fighting Mr. Biya government, Mr. Biya be don't cut my head or I be don't cut your person head.
Why they go Gabu to they go give bucket name for Mami or Gabu?
That one concern me now. I work with the Jacobines.
Ben, now you they say they can't burn your house now. You need why you need to talk about the government you burn your house? You want to accuse the
That's why we talk about the government who burn your house. No, if you work at the Sing Naked.
Oh, yes, at the Sing Naked. What naked get to do inside now?
You talk.
If I sing naked, what naked get to do inside?
So if you don't get your facts them straight. If you don't get your facts and say no can't talk to people that they jealous. I know if you
are a big you be big jealousy man. You be big jealousy man because only if you talk them they don't say you be jealousy man. Only if you talk they don't say you be jealousy man. As you see people they don't carry some they don't get courage for do some kind of thing.
So I be jealous them because they cut people their head.
Yes, you jealous them. You jealous them because they listen to them. You jealous them because they listen to them. They listen for you. You come up for Yago. You come up for Yago Yaoundé. You come up for Yago Yaoundé. You come up for Yago Yaoundé. They can't put our prison. Why did they be living for their one time self? When I work out in a small jealousy for them, you need to respect people the way they get courage past you. You need to respect people they get courage past you. You can't talk about them. They don't kill this. They don't kill this. Why you talk about Cameroon government? Why you talk about Cameroon government? Why you talk about Cameroon government? You can't talk for yesterday. Can't talk for yesterday. Where you be the dance empty last. You be the dance empty last. If I dance empty last, my problem.
Really? I tell you something now.
Yes,
if you want and say me use more Amber World Draft, go continue to sing your music, but no, they can't confuse yourself with things we don't understand.
Now you don't understand. Now you be fool. Me, I make my own. I make my own part. And I don't understand what you understand.
You know the make no part. You know the make no part.
I make my own part.
Yesterday we collect money for Camto. Where Camto he talks to me they move go back for France. Dupont Moriti, my friend. Robert Amsterdam, my friend. The woman there for government.
If you play, if you try me, if you talk with me tomorrow, I will collect money again. If you tell me, I will collect the money. Now you give me the money. If you give me some money.
In the past now online.
If you give me some money, you fit get the money. You fit get the money. You fit get the money for giving.
I don't get them.
Small hungry man, you can't turn off here the talk because you meet for Europe. For Cameroon, if you turn off my front talk so. If you are done for street, If you turn off my front talk for Cameroon, if you turn off my front talk for Cameroon, now go to Bamenda there, you keep doing a for. Go ask for Yaoundé with me, but they will tell you say I'm marrying for Yaoundé.
You don't see me. You don't stand and say we will be doing a for Bamenda.
But yes, when they listen only the way where you talk, jealousy we there for your mob. You the jealous people them. Why you need to accuse the Cameroon government? You accuse now the Amber Boys.
So I be jealous you. So I be jealous you. If you know say you, why you not go for Baga back and do go pick gun if you know say you been a boy?
I sorry you, Padia Sang. I really sorry you,
why?
I really sorry you, plenty. You know why they sorry you? Because people are not sure.
We are not sorry yourself.
Na
opportunist. All na opportunist.
I be opportunist. I not deny, but I not ask people them. I not ask people them for go burn my village. I not ask people them to go burn my village. I not ask people to go burn my village.
I don't know. I never burn any my village.
Now you burn my village, but you support people that they burn my village.
Good props for moons. If you talk say na me I born and then I have power now. Them knows how to born you too.
Yes, no. If you born me now, it's some problem inside. You know if you born and say waiting. If you born and say waiting. Maybe don't pay una. Don't give una small 5 find them. They don't go una 5 find them. One account discourage people for Facebook. When I make small, I then small.
Don't take their own 5,000 too. What did they be do? They be take their that way they be work for government. I be there with them. If for all my life where I be done fight the government, they dismiss me for university, they pay me back with my taxpayers' money where I be struggle my small thing and they pick my dirty, then they send them for Cameroon. Wait, they give me my tax. Why it vex you?
So you don't take some more money, along. But if we move the fight now, when we fight, people are gonna so.
No way, you fight ready. You work at script for down naked. Send me people that they give you money, $20. Tomorrow you do with Tom Tina.
Now the very jealousy that way there for your mind. Now the jealousy that way there for your mind. You the jealous my money. You the jealous my money. Because they give me money, you jealous.
And the next day
you the jealous my money. That means
you need a 500 to produce album. You need a this for do this.
Okay, tomorrow.
Then you can't say, oh, why tomorrow, yourself say we
tomorrow I will make live. I will make people them buy me Mimbo. They will buy me John. You can't see them. How you want provoke me? I dance empty last. If I naked myself, you naked yourself. If I naked myself, you naked yourself. Me and you, if we naked ourselves, we stand up strong. If you turn up for play, I naked myself.
We don't see if woman they go work and naked to stand up. We don't see as people they naked themselves now. We see Bobby slippers and all kinds of things.
I call you for my life. I call you for my life. You come for here, they come. For talk sense, you can't make it coach me say I will dance naked. I dance naked for Cameroon. You never even know self. I dance for Boya. Me, I dance for Boya. I dance for Boya.
Foolish man, you say people they be jealous. You know what they call and say jealousy.
But you jealous me. You the jealous me, Padia Sanga. Now you the ever call me. I don't ever call you for your phone. Now you ever call me, tell me about Mbazonia. I never call you for your phone. No. You call me any day. You call me any day. You go remember me like the public people they pay you, say me you can't talk for me. I join your idea, but you are a fool. You are making a fool of yourself.
They will hear say they ask for vote campaign against me. I don't need that kind of vote there. I don't need vote them for scavengers.
Now, now the language I will learn for university where they drive you scavengers. Since how many years talk about scavengers. My brother.
The other people they talk so wait you don't do them.
No problem, no day. I always think what you go and talk. You go and talk to people and say I dance until last now. Okay, I dance until last, but I made this now. You have my naked myself again. See my body. See my body, make you see her. When I stand up, see my body. Even with the belly, I get see my body.
Abomination.
See my body.
But That way you study.
See my
That way you study
body.
adapt churches. You study adapt.
See my body,
But
see my body.
you
Naked
get
yourself,
no
you see I'm
place. You
idiot.
don't get nothing to talk.
Small
Some people
idiot.
shut up.
Small fool. You can't talk. If I naked myself, you naked yourself, if you talk, see me small, you say Abakwaman. You be Abakwaman.
So
If you
your
dey
own
put,
intelligence then I can make in your nudes.
yes, it better. I better for my own level.
Go ahead.
You the jealous. You the jealous. You the jealous. The revolution. It will make you turn fool. The boys will go
You don't
fight.
hear, you don't hear.
They go fight.
Put them
Idiot.
back. I never deny say me some man no go fight.
No, you
If
deny, deny,
fight,
continue
put the
deny.
voice,
Then they beg
one
you.
with
Then they
voice.
beg you they beg you for something. Continue deny. Talk what you want to talk. They need to fear you. Who be you? Who be you? Say come
Don't
out.
say me some man fear
If
some
you
man.
can't dirty inside contract, forget that. Go buy contract chop. May they pay the bill. You say one can't talk or read about it.
I beg. Just continue your racketeering.
Let me say you listing my life. You sleep for day. Call me, come get them say dance empty laugh. After one talk about serious thing, say dance empty laugh.
Shut up. Now me I be bringing you inside my forum. No, now you follow and we link come inside.
Ya
Can't you run
mami
your mouth?
bonkas même ma banque chang. Go sleep for them. I take different man. Small foolish man. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Now who? Okay, I will take it. Me, I don't take it single to talk, but now the instant calm, they bring discussion on the level. Where they party, they dance empty last. Where they party, don't do the. If I dance empty last, look someone. Hello, they listing you. Now they call you hello. Now kind of man is. You need to listen me. You need to hear me. You need to hear me. I dey hear you talk.
Okay, well, yeah, they talking about which that guy, that man, they can't talk so. That
Yeah.
party man. The problem with that party man, I say, Paddy a very stupid man, as we talk, a very jealous man. Because, hello?
Yeah, they get you. They listen you. Slow your volume for that side. Slow your volume, I bet. Slow your volume.
Paddy a very jealous man. So the fact that say you don't put it for the right point, but you ask you one technical question where university answer you. You ask you say, that guy where he act like fool, as like fully be, then he try to play with people they are, but you ask you say, since where he did for that place, since where he did for that place,
Slow your volume for that side, I beg. Look am. Slow your volume. Slow your volume. Slow down another phone. Slow down another phone.
he no answer you that question. That first question where he ask you no answer you.
Say what he.
When you ask you say, since we don't the fight so for La Republique, where the fight start 5 years ago, anything don't change. You ask you say anything don't. I don't slow up.
Yeah, they listening you.
Okay, you hear me fine?
Yeah,
you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So when you ask you that question, you know say never answer you know. Say since 5 years where La Republique, because of French and the system where they bring this riot 5 years ago, what don't change since it is support La Republique. You know say no answer you that question.
You no answer no. You no answer. If you answer,
Instead they talk that thing that now for divert your mindset, they talk now how you begin to dance that way they fight for
University of Boya.
Yeah, all that kind of thing. What did that one get for do? The fight for the talk now for you. Simple question. I could tell you how the illusion of that guy be. As you talk, a very jealous man. All throughout, you know, asking one correct question, you know, answer.
One
question, answer him. He only talk left, talk right, talk left, talk right, talk left, talk right.
Ma take different man, my brother.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Good night.
Okay, good night. More take different man because people they want talk plenty. Hello.
Hello, bro.
Hello, mommy.
No, bro. Na me, brother.
Ah, okay, now.
No, bro. I don't change number. That other number, I join.
Oh.
I like which way don't tell my Wait, my call you back. I'm like, wait, we don't tell Paddy.
I bet try talk some more power, yeah, because I need listening. Yes. I don't know which way. Where talk with power. Talk with power. Talk, yeah, talk with power. They listen you.
Yeah, wait, no, wait, you talk with correct. I hear it come out. I hear. See, wait, we don't tell Paddy. I clap for you here now. Paddy na yam. Paddy na yam. Because when we ask Paddy, when we don't ask Paddy, Paddy is a fool. So then it reach on level where I don't see you don't move your close. You tell Paddy na, you know that fish they usually call and say, you know that fish they call and say dry mbonga no.
Dry mbonga, yeah.
Paddy then they run dry mbonga because you move your clothes. I be expect say Paddy go to say to go move your clothes like you as we don't call you see the dance naked because Paddy not the last fool I don't ever see for Anglophone zone. You know be the last fool. I know for believe say Paddy for can't stand the talk the thing where it to say be educated past you for talk that talk with talk.
Voilà.
Till way you not ever know about Southern Cameroon issue. You don't know about anything concerning one land. But you don't tell Paddy say you pass it na party na jello or see the do.
Normal.
I don't look Paddy it sense that thing where even if you say that boy go school, Paddy is cow boy. Pig. That means even that pig where they used to call some people then so he been a pig. That one pig. Paddy go can't stand to be for you way no nothing. You don't know Southern Cameroon my issue, but you fit stand back your people them. Paddy way it was say for how many years it only take with it. Paddy not be able to stand defending people even for this point of time. Then Paddy want talk say he be man picking, he be Southern Cameroon, that boy is a slave. Now that kind of slave they will take and tie their hand and chain, they will big chain, put lock there, take and tie on for some blame, they carry stone there, they still work on gun for their back. Paddy, look at man, somebody will say the Europe. Look at man will say the Europe. Now you go outside and wish they look Paddy way not outside. Look you stand you and Paddy physically don't look you like that means don't look you like a rich man who defeat Paddy. It calls scavengers. He knows scavengers. Me look himself, look you, they know what you call them scavengers. Me compare you.
Hey, my brother. Forget about that man, my brother. Forget about that man. He carry me go for different topic. More just leave and so tomorrow we'll continue.
I want to talk with Paddy go move, play with they know say the emptiness. Paddy is that means now it talk say you be new pass you empty last to the last.
First of all for this world, they need coach man. No man not be empty. I don't bring moja. I don't bring moja. That the foolish moja way when I listen he don't know him for talking English, he don't even know for talking pidgin. But he don't talk something today where he haughty, he don't know for express and I don't can explain them for you. Because he don't talk some talk, but he don't know how for talk and but he feel bad. But I don't explain them for you because man feel stupid, but he talks some sense inside his stupidity.
Paddy, with you, I know what you don't suffer for the Cameroon. Paddy is a noise maker, not dirty place. Paddy, not dirty place. That kind dustbin way the car empty and after 3 months. Better than how they empty after. Better that kind dustbin way they empty after 1 day, even after 3 months. That means that last dustbin because I don't look.
My brother.
Paddy want way for educate you. He no fit educate you. Wait, no, nothing. For Southern Cameroon, but you wait to don't fight. Who say if you not don't have to say, don't make out the teacher. You come out enter for something. No, nothing. Now, Sisi go that way. You don't talk so. Now, Sisi go come out that call. For stand today, that and party where they don't make noise, they don't wait. Usa it don't. Usa the party wait. It don't want. And if you want to say journals, it will make noise. Now, what the show say? You know the journals. We all the words that they come up with. And boy.
Yeah.
I don't suffer. I don't suffer for Cameroon. No, you know how we don't work up inside the Cameroon. You know how we don't work out. Limbe, Boya, Kumba, suffer. You the dance, the gig. If you know when you suffer today, but they are naked, not now you take a hell of some boy, then it don't give a hell of for chop. They burn your house, they burn on a place for Banga Bakundu. Each time talks with this for the government, for all the houses in your bonnet. The party must stand talk for what they say. It fight for Southern Cameroon, or it be some place where don't fight for long, but the show. Man, you can't enter for something, or you go suffer for long. You can't never go halfway there to say don't fight. Why you no stand fight? Go reach the end will no say it no from. You know how many people that don't die for that very kumba will know. Remember in those days of Pamukete with they can go kill people there.
Yeah. Imagine my brother.
Some small rat go she don't place because he said before even that boy not there, that boy not the hero. That boy is slave. That kind of slave of to say they put BB chain and BB lock in a super didi.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. More live and so for today. More live and so for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you, Yababa. Okay, now small time.
So rat.
I go die. But anyhow, somebody disturb me. Anyhow, we will continue the discussion, even tomorrow or after tomorrow. Now, if they say people they look plenty, how many people they watch me online? There are not need number of people there. Because after plenty people they will go look after. Okay, take care. I love you now. Take care for now.